Yeah, Durgesh. So you are from where?
Sorry,
You are from where?
Delhi.
Delhi.
I'm currently in Delhi, but I don't in UP.
Okay. Okay, Durgesh. So Durgesh, can you uh, give me a small introduction part? What is your qualification and what are the company you had completed? How many years of experience you have, and what are the technologies you have done, and what is your roles and responsibility? So, can you give me a self introduction, Durgesh?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. For the critic. I know this work. I have completed BTech from Kasani College in 2022. I have BTech in computer science, and I have experienced for 1+ year as a Java developer, and my skills is Java, Spring Boot, HTML, CSS, Jdbc, MySQL, Git, RESTful API. I have fundamental knowledge of C# and .NET, and I previous company is .NC. I have worked there, did two project work on there. First project name is G5 travel, and second one is a government decentralization that is belong to.
Okay. What is roles and responsibility in that?
My roles in G5 project, basically they are providing me a seat, and they provide me seat to debug particular this code and find the error and remove it and put on a particular sentence or code they are also providing it. And the second project I have worked on a sketching REST API from table to input to the REST API sketch project.
Okay.
Basically, I have create a API, one API. Basically, when I have insert an address, no? So my information stored in table like city, at the state, and village in particular table. Create. But I have create a REST API to the Hibernate dependency group to this dependency group to create a JSON form data also stored in table. And it's not create a separate table, different table like table for state and city. It's only one table, export in data in table and JSON and import from JSON form. I create one test on that project. Isham fertilization. It's government project.
Okay. Okay. So for that project, how we are that is that scratch project you are created or already developed project you are going to migrated.
No, no, these five projects are already migrated, already progressed on, but Isham fertilization project, it's a special project.
Okay. How you are going to create a project and how you are going to create a layered based application? Can you what are the modules you are going to use? Can you explain me?
Yeah. So basically, we have four layer concept in first is I create basically find entity folder. Entity folder two times. First one is I have defined whatever user, for example, connection with the job.
Okay.
For I take an example like registration. If any person is create a registration form, so first name, email, password, mobile number, address. So I want to not showing other person to password to whatever developer want to edit and modify. So I have created also an entity alert separate entity with you. They are not showing password and other essential information on their folder. Other was a controller and other was a business logic service and last and list repository. The, that is a
Okay.
top.
Okay. So you are writing to that business logic in service IMPL class, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So what are the
Also,
what are the annotation you are using in your project? Annotations.
which in sorry, for example, we have used a repository class, then use a repository notation. If I use the service, service and controller, service controller. If I want to write in connect to configuration any file to another file, to auto add or create a constructor to the fabric with the modification method.
That's all. I'm asking what are the annotation you are using into that. There is a entity class, some annotation is there. REST controller class, some annotation is there. Service class having some annotations is there. So that annotation, can you explain me what are?
Yes, 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 yes. For example, if I have used user entity, I have there also create entity and table and get register and if not create no argument constructor. And they have also used for example I have created ID, so I use address ID and generate value, and we have used relation address generate value and the column name and length and many to many and many to one to one. That is
What we have to call one to many, many to many? What we have to call that? What we can call?
Basically, we have created a table to the entity. We have defined this. For example, we have created an entity class user, where we have defined their uh, uh, member, data member. For example, ID and the email. I want to create. We have same data table. So I want to use entity, annotation, entity and table. And also I define ID segment, ID, ID, and generate what to file, 1 to 3. So I have created annotation, generate a file
Okay.
for user to create table. And we have created a controller. For example, we have used the controller for users. We have created an API. So we have used the REST controller first in class, and we have defined mapping. We have defined version. For example, we have made first defined version 1 and some modification after some time version 2. So we have defined in parent notation, request mapping, and other in the class. We have created get mapping and post mapping, delete mapping, and also mention their version we have used and pass there. And we have also used the added valid notation and the repository body, response body on their in API, post mapping and put mapping and and the bit maximum.
So what is the difference between @controller and @rest controller annotation? Durgesh?
Can you repeat?
Yeah, what is the difference between @controller annotation and @rest controller annotation?
Yeah, in REST controller we have also include a controller in there, and but in REST controller only we have mentioned only controller about that. And in REST controller also we have mentioned HTTP method also we have included in the REST controller.
So what is Spring Boot application annotation? How many annotation it is equal?
Sorry.
Spring Boot application annotation is there, right?
Yes, in Spring Boot.
Yeah, so what is the purpose of it?
Especially multiple purpose. First, auto scanning, auto configuration, and enabling configuration.
What is the purpose of component scanning annotation?
That is used for whatever we have used the dependency and requirement. So he is also responsible for about my dependency scan or whatever component scanning to control class to automatic create and start doing.
Mhm. Okay.
Then they are basically enable operand scan.
Uh-huh. Okay. So how we are going to providing to the validation in backend?
Uh, I have told as we have defined first we have created a post restriction.
Okay.
Then we have checked, for example, we have entered any information, username and password. So we have used the post notation, valid notation, and we have also defined entity class what the pattern, username and also email and password type.
Okay. What is the difference
We have
between
defined this,
what is the difference between not null and empty?
only at the time I forget.
Okay.
I know, but I basically I think not null is not considered empathy, and it is also considered
Mm-hmm.
empathy. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe reverse concept. Something is not considered and not many considered.
Okay. So what is the purpose of Lombok dependencies?
At the rate,
Sorry. What is the purpose of Lombok dependencies? Dependency. I'm not asking annotation. Dependencies.
dependency.
Yes.
Uh, it's basically at the time of
Okay. So, Lombok dependencies and what is the purpose of dev tool?
Sorry,
Dev tool dependencies.
Dev two.
Dev tool. You are not using in your project dev tool dependencies. What are the dependencies you are adding?
Yes, yes, got it. Dev two. Yes, any type of it, any something they are provided automatically. And yeah, I got it. And I look it's basically used for getter and setter.
Only getter and setter.
It's basically find a value from and have defined entity user inside it. We are also trying to change the visible and writing my values that get an step. It's a help to find blender.
Okay.
So I use it. It's basically helpful to create less code, try to less create code. Yeah, create a task like user. You don't create details and constructor. We define use add a dependency number and we define annotation in NP upper. Now also source in no argument and data as annotation. We have defined an entity class.
Okay. So, what is the difference between path param and query param annotation?
Can you explain what is difference between
Path variable and query param annotation is there, right?
path variable
And query param.
and can you write a chat?
Query param. Path variable. Which scenario we can take a path variable?
Yes.
Query param.
Okay. Got it. Define
So, do you have idea on what Swagger API?
yes.
What is the purpose of Swagger API?
It's automatically create all time points. Like okay, whatever we get create a restrict they automatically create time
So,
points. We have input data and get response whatever we have and going to modify. And here remember the path variable and we have stored path variable and but it was not remember at the time. But I remember in path value. It's restrict add value URL from the restrict service. And create it.
okay,
And just from time not remember it.
okay, okay. And
It's similar to what little bit different, but at the time not sure.
Okay. Which database we are going to using?
We have used mice mostly.
Okay. So you are good into that MySQL queries, right?
Sorry.
You are good in MySQL query, right?
Yes,
Okay. So
not,
how you can write a query in how
yeah.
you can write a query in JPA? Custom queries, how you can write?
Basically, we have create control this thing. We have create service controller and we define from there uh, third template. And we have also predefined data for get and hide that is also defined method from the pattern. So, but we have defined a particular, we have create like user, create a table and ID in and family, for example, the name right there and password, email, that will create a table. Inside data, for example, a user, patient into user table, name, email, and
Okay.
password. And have also defined values and they put like a British and British address, mail ID, and British password. And it, no, one, the insert data integrity to the display.
Okay. So what is the difference between data JPA and Hibernate?
Sorry,
What is the difference between JPA and Hibernate framework?
JPA, JPA is JPA is basically fundamental fundamental
Okay.
fundamental not it works.
Yeah, it is the abstraction layer onto that Hibernate.
Accessing yes. JPA basically they are accessing and modifying data uh, to the we have defined there some rules and relations with it, and we have implement whatever accessing data and defining to the library.
Uh-huh.
We
Okay.
GPA API and we implement the library. Basically, implementation to the GPA rule regulation. We have defined GPA and applied in Hibernate.
Okay. What is how many ways we can handle that exception? You are implemented exception in your project.
How many extra handling?
How many ways to we can handle exception?
Okay, we have mostly used titles and we have defined self already predefined for the classes. But we have also created a model self exception in the package. We have defined mostly we have used titles English and their request and response according to self or predefined data class also. a good package. So we have also used, but mostly preferred customized friendly.
Okay. Do you have idea on global exception handling?
Yes, we have also used global handling. So basically, we have so when we have defined self uh, handling package, so we have used import global handling. Help when we have control such a
How you can implement? Can you explain me? How you can implement a global exception handling? Can you explain?
So basically, we have create a global exception class, and we have defined annotation to the global.
Global at the rate global exception.
No. We have created a class
Hmm.
global global exception. We have defined rest advice.
Trust
And
controller advice.
Yeah.
At the rate trust controller advice annotation we need to use.
Yes. And we have defined in the global class handling. We have defined except handler, and we have defined whatever we have created. We have created multiple types in the global handler.
Okay.
And we have used APIs will be defined, and we have created a different exception folder. We have defined like message pass the to the extend runtime.
Okay.
And we have defined ending response and response not resource not exception. We have defined also to the runtime exception and response and automatic experiment defined.
Okay. What are the HTTP methods? Is there?
HTTP method is there basically a request and response whatever is
HTTP
data,
methods I'm asking.
yeah. So basically REST API fundamental get put and delete post.
What is the difference between put and post?
Put put say update information about already we have insert the user data. We have want to update information user. So we use put if I want to insert new data, then we have used
If we use to that post, then we can insert the data, right?
if I want to data insert new data, then use the post data. I want to update any data, then use put.
Instead of post, we are not able to use put method for inserting the data.
No.
No. Are you sure?
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. So you are good in Java 8 feature?
Java feature,
Yes.
for example,
Yeah. So the what are the Java 8 feature? Can you explain me? What are the feature you are Java 8 feature using in your project?
so this I'm not knowledge about That Java application is still really, but not knowledgeable about the stream.
Only one
So
feature.
basically we have and exception expression parameters like and functional interface.
Okay.
And more feature, but at the time not.
Okay. What is functional
But
interface, sir?
basically, it's basically lambda expression. We have defined and completed credit. And we have this is the lambda expression in function interface. The method reference. For example, we are defining uh, data in long term. So it's very easy and convenient and fast than that.
What is functional interface, Durgesh?
Okay, function is a method and function also recall
Mm-hmm.
interface is a method, but it's not have a body and not any parameter. It's depend on other class like tech class and normal physical. So they
Okay.
are defined
What is the
as
difference between stream API and collection framework?
collection. Basically, we have not provide HTTP page provide it would process collection of text to perform sufficient and filter math and review. But in collection, they are not good compared to the stream style or filtering in the collection. They are also this at the time not human lot knowledge, but yeah.
Okay. Okay. What is the difference between what are the terminal operations and intermediate operations? Can you tell me?
Professor basically run our code
You don't have idea on that?
and interpreter code is
No, I'm not asking interpreter. Intermediate operation and terminal operation. It is available in Java 8.
no at the time.
Okay. Okay. What is the purpose of uh, optional class?
It's basically used to not aware whatever data types we have used. It's been so we have used the option.
Mhm.
For example, we want input from user or phone. We are not aware which type of data that so we have used the option.
Mhm. Okay.
So this approach.
This approach we can use, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the difference between Spring MVC and Spring Boot?
Spring Boot is basically predefined. We are creating project to quickly create a product dependency and auto configuration. We have create some time. We have create a little bit project, and usually we have first create add dependency and configuration to the XML file, and then we have create a and tag about the product. It's basically Spring Boot development for simply deployment to the application providing stuff conversation and using. And we have also built like server compare and out of the third party plugins also we have add in to it. But it's been basic, it's a part of framework, but it's so pattern of we have used for model way of people to represent some data and some layer of to handle input and a model of view. But basically, Spring Basic upgrade version of Spring Boot. It's easy to work and create any project compared to the easy to create any project in Spring Boot. But we are if I want to create any project in Spring Boot, so we have define and configuration itself. But in Spring Boot, not. It's also we have to go on a line LG else. We have to find whatever we have different scale and to find version and we have some and create whatever we have created on. So what data today. So basically easy to configuration and different scale, but still this is easy to create anything for configuration and configuration.
Okay. So how we can change port number? Server port.
Yeah. We have got template and we have go on template. We have create application properties and we have basically resource folder and we have taken application properties and we have to find their code number side 800 code number, but we want to use according to itself. I have modified server.port number whatever we have code number.
How we can change? I'm asking that changing of port number, Durgesh.
Server.port equal whatever
Okay. Okay.
I
Okay.
want to add double. So we have defined
Okay.
server.
If we want to change to that server, what server instead of Tomcat server, if I want to use to the other server, what we have to do?
Yeah, we have defined on their form external file where we have add whatever server we want to add another server we want to add. So we go on there form external and add on there.
Okay.
If I want to not use the Tomcat, then we have used the other server like Jdbc.
Okay.
Mostly
So
I have used Tomcat server.
okay. So you are using do you have knowledge on microservice?
No, I'm not only the service,
Yeah, you don't have that knowledge on
but
microservice.
I have knowledge, fundamental knowledge. it's basically connect the multiple service. For example, the monolith service and it will define different services only, but in microservice we have defined different service. We have connect together and we have perform together. And if I work and modify any other, there is not impact and down any service on that time.
Mhm.
This is the microservice.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. So, what are the challenges you are facing in your current project, Durgesh?
And sometimes we have this version problem mostly.
Which problem?
Version problem. If I want to add any stuff features and any old project, we have modified. So version problem we have tried to and visually take some time how to handle and after sometimes we get to problem getting from version. Sometimes we have used the most use the common problem has not defined proper or not used in.
Okay. So, do you have knowledge on profiles? Profiles concept.
Sorry,
Profiles.
profiles.
Yes.
Files, no.
You don't have. So, after completion of developer code, so that code goes to that which team?
No idea.
No, you are completing that code, right?
Yes.
Yeah, your code is completed. After completion, your work is done. Then that code, it will be
Yes.
go where?
Basically, we have used the Docker, yeah, Kubernetes, yeah, we have deploy on AWS.
After developing that code from developer side, it will be go directly to that deployment, or it will be go to that any other environment.
So first we define in a resource, we have defined other development production file, and we are defining whatever according to first we have create any Docker. We have want to create an MSC model. So we have create Docker, and then we have basically used the GitHub. We have import from GitHub, and we have also attaching Docker, and then we have
In your team, there is no
deploy
testing team, UAT testing, SIT. It's not able to.
basically I don't know. But basically I am knowledge of aware of unit testing and unit testing, but not right about testing.
You are
But
good
I
in.
know about unit
Are you written in any test cases?
yes, no, basic we have inside the data in basic fundamental. We have when learn these input parts in the system. Then we have insert in our own unit test, and then we have insert in the data in raw data. My data is working properly or not. Then they have insert in the test. Check my data is properly working. So we have write the code in test input unit test.
Okay. So which framework you are going to using for unit testing?
Frame, and test framework.
No. There is a JUnit test cases framework is there, right? Marketo framework you are using
Yes.
or which framework?
Yes, I think so. We have used basically it's good mostly, but I have take a project from US side. They have also the micro. So I am clear about that micro. So basically cloud-based framework micro, similar to the Spring Boot, but it's a cloud-based.
Hmm.
Easy to work for the micro. So I have knowledge of that.
Okay. Okay. So can you share your screen,
But
Durgesh?
yeah, sure.
There is a two coding. You need to write two coding programs. No. Are you sharing?
So yes, good. To I have clicked share option, but no,
Share option. You are clicked.
but it's not work.
No, no. There is a arrow mark is there, right? Arrow mark, and you can select to that screen. Share. There is a option is there, right? Windows.
Yes, yes, yes.
You can select it and you.
Uh, yes,
Okay. Can yeah. It is not able to share it, right? Can you write a program and share me? Okay. Yeah, it is visible now. Now okay. Can you open any IDs?
can use online.
Can you open any IDs? Do you have Eclipse or any other ID?
No, I am asking, can use online and compiler code.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. You can write.
Right.
Yeah. Can you create a list of integers?
Sorry.
List of integers.
Okay.
Yeah, you can create. I will tell you the scenario. List of integers can you create?
Can you write one chat?
Yeah, you can write. List of integer numbers you can create. Don't show again. Yeah.
So not right. So not right.
Yeah. Can you write in any notepad? You can take notepad or anything. List of integers you can create.
Sorry.
List of integers.
And to test
Integers numbers can you create in arrays? How we can create a integer?
no, can you write full chat to understand better what are you get?
Okay, my voice is not audible for you. Please check it.
Yes, I have created list of integer.
Yeah.
Next step.
Yeah. So yeah, your screen is not visible for me.
Yes, my screen is black.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, can you write a by using Stream API in that integers how many times it is going to repeat it? Can you print that numbers count how many times it is going to repeat it? For example, you are taking that list of integer as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is a 5 is that 5 is 2 times it is coming. So that 5 should be count as a 2. One count is 1.
So can
2.
you write?
Yeah.
Can you write that?
Count of integer numbers.
So after the list, we told you create a list integer. So whatever you told,
And print.
that you were right.
Okay. Print integer numbers count using string. Okay. You are getting question right?
So we are right now set list of integers and print integer number count using in okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Completed?
Mm.
Yeah, I will give you 2 more minutes. Please complete it. You getting my question right, Durgesh?
Yes,
Yeah, go ahead.
correct. We have used by user input it as yeah, paid file. Yeah,
Yeah, you can complete that program. Once complete, please let me know.
yes.
Yeah, Durgesh completed.
Yeah. So, to,
Yeah, can you run that application? There is a error, is there, right? What you did? Okay. Yeah, here time is over, Durgesh. So yeah, can you try with? I will give one more program.
yeah.
Can you write a palindrome program?
Please,
Palindrome program. Can you write?
uh, yeah. Can you check my logic?
Yeah, you can explain me what you are doing.
We have taken from user with the scanner in the store in edit. And then we have still we have used the travel file. Okay. I have next. And then store in Lima. And then we have upload on the screen on the data, then print that count. And
Mhm. But that logic is not correct. Okay, can you try one more program I will give you?
yeah, I don't know.
Write a program for string palindrome or not.
Um,
You are opening the
We have
IntelliJ
used
ID.
ID, so take time.
Until that, you can write the logic in any notepad.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can write. It will be open the tech IntelliJ idea. You can write your logic.
yeah, sure. Thank you.
It's taking time. You can write logic there, Durgesh.
Yeah, yeah. Stuff. So take time.
No, no, no. You can write to that already. You are opening to that online editor, right? You can write there.
Yes, yes, but not working. I click, but it's not working. Currently, it's working.
Okay, you are done, right?
Yes, we have two. um, five, seven, and of course this so yeah, take time.
Okay. Okay, Durgesh, can you copy and share me that code?
Yes,
Yeah, it's taking almost 1.5 hour has completed, right?
yes,
Yeah, I will check. Please share me.
update.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, Durgesh. So from my end has completed that interview. So I will let you know, and I will. Yeah. So you will work, right? If I give that any requirement, you can work onto that, right? By using Java, Spring Boot.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So
true.
yeah, yeah, Durgesh. So I will give you one
Correct.
requirement. Yeah, I will give you one requirement. Then if you are completed that, then I will give that other requirement. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Durgesh. We will see. I will let you know to that feedback. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Rich.